This video teaches you how to share a Google document. Sharing with specific people. Open the Google Docs file you want to share. Click the blue Share button. This button is at the top right corner of Google Docs. Add people that you want to share with. You can share with multiple people by entering more names or addresses. Choose your sharing permissions. You'll see a drop-down menu to the right of the person or people you're sharing with. This menu determines whether the people you're sharing with can view, edit, or leave comments on the document. Check the box next to Notify People if you want to share via email. If you choose to notify people, you can type a message into the message box to explain the document or provide further info. Click Send to share the document. The document is now shared with person or people you entered. If you chose the Notify option, the recipient will receive an email containing a link to the document. Sharing a link. Open the Google Docs file you want to share. Click the blue Share button. Click Get Link. Choose who can access the document. Restricted means that only people you've shared the document with can use this link to view it. Anyone with the link means that anyone who you send the link or who gets the link from anyone else can view the document. If you choose this option, you can select a permissions level from the second drop-down menu. Choose Editor if you want to give full editing access to anyone with the link. Choose Viewer if you just want people with the link to be able to see, but not modify, the document. Choose Commenter if you don't want people with the link to make changes but do want them to be able to leave comments. Click Copy Link. Paste the link into an email, message, or document. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.